Hey guys, hope you all doing good. Today I will start my new playlist or a new series of solving the Python crash course, and it would be solving um, the problems or the try it yourself in the Django section. I will be solving every try it yourself because the book does not include the solution. So, it's something that I would practice and teach others. I will gain, knowledge from these small things that I will teach you. I will gain new skills. You will gain new skills. We all will be winners. So, I will explain some of what I learned. So, it's not only about what the book is telling us. I could tell you about, or I could include more information, not just what the book has told you. And like just I said, I learn and you learn, so we are both winners. So I will start from the beginning. All right, there is this try it yourself, and it will be the first one that we will do in this series. Okay, I don't know how often I'm gonna post or how many times I'm gonna post. I'm just gonna study, and every time I see a problem I will just start recording and solving it. All right, it's not a problem, it's just a practice. So new project, it says to get better idea of what the Django does, build a couple of empty projects and look at what the Django creates. Make a new folder with a simple name like Snapgram or InstaChat outside of your learning log directory. If you followed the book and did exactly what the author said, he said to create a learning log. We won't talk about this. Navigate to that folder in the terminal and create a virtual environment. Install Django and run the command Django admin.py start project snapgram dot. Make sure that you include the dot at the end of the command and look at the files folders this command creates and compare them to learning log. Do this until you get familiar. I don't know. So we'll start working on this. I will open my Visual Studio Code. I will open a new window. Okay, and okay, let's see. Open folder. I will go to my desktop, to my website, backend development, Python, Django. I will create a new one. Solve problems. Problem 1. Okay, this is what we're gonna work with. Problem 1. We're gonna open. Now we have this file here. What we're gonna do is we're gonna have a terminal. We have our terminal here right now. Right here, we're gonna use bash. All right, it's important to use bash. I was using fish in my Linux terminal. So what we're gonna do, first thing is we're gonna create our virtual environment. And if you are using Linux, you should make sure that you have Python installed on your device or on your laptop, on your operating system. So write this command update to make sure that everything is working properly. All right. After updating your command line, I don't know why it's taking too long. Okay, you write this command to install Python. If you want to install Python, Python 3, or no, sudo apt install python 3. This is how you install Python. I have it already installed in my operating system, so I don't need to do it. And you should also install the pip. So you write this sudo apt install python 3 pip. This is how you install pip. And to install the virtual environment, you do /virtual environment. All right, so you should make sure that you have all of these installed on your operating system. Now, I don't know how to zoom in. Oh my gosh. All right, so we're gonna start right now. How do they zoom in with this? All right, so what we're gonna do right now is we're gonna create our virtual environment. So we type Python 3, I already forgot, /m virtual environment, and now we give our virtual environment a name. I will call it Snapgram. This is what he wanted us to call it, Snapgram. Alright, now we have Snapgram in our device, I guess, in our folder. Yes, there it is, Snapgram. Now we want to activate it, so we type source and Snapgram, the folder that we have, bin activate, and as you can see now we have it activated. The virtual environment, it's activated. If we wanted to deactivate it, we type deactivate, and it will be deactivated. But we want to make sure that we are working in our virtual environment, so we will activate it. Okay, now we should install the Django. So we go and type Python, oh no, we go and type pip 3 install the Django. And it should start downloading. As you can see, it's downloading. So it's downloaded successfully. Now let's see our files. Now we have Snapgram. Now we're gonna create an admin, or we're gonna start our project. So we write Django admin start project, and Snapgram, I will call it just Snapgram. This is how I'm gonna call it, and we put dot at the end of it. Yeah, I cannot call it Snapgram like that. Django admin start project. Yeah, we'll call it this Snapgram dot. Now we have our Snapgram. As you can see, it contains an initial.py. It also contains some other Python files that are so important. And yeah, this file is so important. These things are really important, so we should keep them. Right now we will create our database, so we will write Python 3 manage.py migrate. Alright, now we have our DB, SQLite, we have a database, and the last thing we will do is we will run the server so we could actually see our application, how it changes, see how it interacts with our website or our application, whatever it is. So we type this command, python 3 manage.py run server. Now we have a URL that actually takes us, it has a host ID and it has the port number. This link will take us to our project. You can see right now the install worked successfully. Congratulations, you're seeing this page because debug equals true is your setting. I don't know what is this, but this is how you create a virtual environment, and this is how you get everything done. I don't even know what these are, but with the time we will practice and we'll get better with it. So this was like the first video that I will post about this series. I hope you guys actually gained knowledge and learned how to start your own Python environment in Django. Thanks for watching. Assalamu alaikum.